Welcome to the world of Jeminex. Jeminex is an Australian industrial group that specialises in distributing a range of consumables and components to the resources, energy and construction sectors, with a particularly strong presence in the resource states of Western Australia and Queensland. Jeminex's growth strategy is both aggressive and successful. Our businesses are positioned to profit from the booming minerals and energy sector. Our approach to acquiring and managing our business is safe, secure and proven. Jeminex combines solid experience, clear strategies, flexibility and credibility to build sustainable wealth while minimizing the risk for its shareholders. Put simply, Jeminex is a company that is going places fast. We'd like to offer you the opportunity to come along for the journey.